everybody, so we are back with another video, car review video. And so we've got three of the most iconic SUVs ever made. We've got the Nissan Patrol, this is the Nismo variant, V8 Classic, and then we've got the LC100, 4.7 liter V8 again, but this is the 2004 model. The Nissan Patrol is the 2018 Nismo variant, and the LC200, this is the 2012 version, again V8. So different variants of engine, but the Land Cruiser here is the highest displacement engine with 4.7 liters. That's it's a huge engine for its time, and this is the Patrol. So talking about the tires, you can see the Patrol has quite low profile tires. These are sporty tires, high speed, not very off-road oriented tires, as you can see. And if we have a look at the Land Cruiser, it's clear that these are slightly more high profile, and these are, zoom that for you guys. So these are Bridgestone tires, and we've got the LC200 here with Michelin tires, as you can see here. So these are Michelin's. Excellent. So looks great, fantastic cars. Let me show you the interior of the Patrol. There you go, that's the interior of the Patrol. There you go, beautifully done. And then let me show you the interior of the LC100. Outdated interior, old but classic. Very lots of light coming in, and I will also show you the LC200 now. There you go, LC200. Space in the back, good stuff. I see a Land Cruiser. That's the console, steering wheel. You've got infotainment system, and then the AC controls, vents, good stuff. Let's also have a look at the Land Cruiser from the outside. I think we will have to move the LC200 out of the way to get into the LC100. So just gonna put it towards the side here. There you go. There you go. There you go. See, this is the LC200. Sorry, LC100. You can see the console is quite outdated, old console, but again it is a classic. It's got a small infotainment system, not bad, and that's the four-wheel lever, the transmission, and then you've got the second gear start, or power mode, or sports mode, and this is the ventilated seats. Sweet. We cannot see the interior of the Patrol because it's tinted glass. Yeah, but yeah, see, V8 badging here. Sweet stuff. From here, if we can see the gear And here you can see in the LC200 EST and power mode, and this is the second gear start, traction control, center diff lock, crawl control, turn assist, and downhill assist. And this is the low 4 and the high 4, high range 4 and low range 4, and then the ventilated seats, parking, reverse, neutral, drive. Sweet stuff. A lot of details there, and the cruise control. Nice. Sweet vehicles. Absolutely gorgeous.